The Practical Python Login course has been released. What is this course about? This course is about Python login module. It's one of the most misunderstood module in Python standards library. It's not obvious and it works the way we don't expect. And at the same time, the Python login module is critical for us as Python developers. Because without it, we're literally blind. We can't get even a bit of information of what's happening with our Python application on a production server. So I wrote for my patrons a short course that consists of 6 videos. But these 6 videos cover the main topics of using the login module. These topics are the login module design, how do loggers work, how messages are handled by loggers. We will discuss 3 main classes of the login module that are participating in creating messages: loggers, handlers, and formatters. We will look at loggers hierarchy and propagation of messages, how to use login filters. Filters can be used, for example, in the situations when you need to get messages only from the certain functions, or if the argument of a function got a special value, and so on. Then how to use custom login handlers. We will create a simple Telegram bot that will accept debugging messages from our Python scripts. The full description of the course you can find on its landing page. The link to the page will be in the description to the video. And already 2 of my courses are available for my patrons via the courses tier. And of course, the courses tier includes the source code tier. I hope you will find my content useful for you, so have a nice day and thanks for watching.